Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Doorbell with Google Home, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, make sure your Ring Doorbell is fully charged and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Google Home app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon in the top left corner to add a new device. Select Set Up Device from the drop-down menu. Choose Works with Google to find compatible devices. In the search bar, type Ring and select the Ring service from the list. You will be prompted to log into your Ring account. Enter your Ring account credentials and tap Authorize to link the accounts. Once linked, your Ring Doorbell will appear in the list of devices. To finalize the setup, select your Ring Doorbell from the list. You can now set up voice commands to access your Ring Doorbell. For example, saying "Hey Google, show me the front door" will display the live video feed. You can also ask for notifications from your Ring Doorbell through Google Assistant. For added convenience, check the integration settings to customize notifications. Test the connection by asking Google Assistant about recent alerts from your Ring Doorbell. If everything is set correctly, you should receive information about your doorbell activity. Now, enjoy the seamless integration of your Ring Doorbell with Google Home. This setup enhances your smart home experience by providing convenience and security. Make sure to periodically check both apps for updates to maintain optimal performance. Your Ring Doorbell is now fully functional with Google Home, ready to keep you informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.